Okay, for number 20, I graphed off 4 points and drew the quadrilateral. We're trying to show that the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So I'm going to use the red sides to do that. There's 2 different ways you can show a quadrilateral as a parallelogram on a graph pretty easily. One is to find the slope of both sets of sides. So the slope of both of my red lines is negative 4/3, which I can get by counting on the graph. And the other set of sides has a slope of, let's see, 3, 4, 5, so 5/4. You can count that on both. And so that's enough information to show that this is a parallelogram because both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. The other way to do it is to show that one set, I'm going to use the red set, is both parallel and congruent. And the way that I could find the length of PQ and the length of NR, or that distance, is to use Pythagorean theorem. And we already used the numbers for slope, so 3, 4, using Pythagorean theorem would make the hypotenuse 5. Same thing for the other one, a 3 and a 4. Pythagorean theorem would make the opposite 5. So I'd have one pair of opposite sides that is parallel and congruent. So if I just did the red and never did anything with the blue, I'd have enough information to show a parallelogram. One set is parallel and congruent. But I can also find both slopes instead and show that both pairs of sides are just parallel with the same slope.